Hello everyone, I am Safdar Ali, computer teachers of Jesus and Mary Academy. I have uploaded this video to cover the first part of chapter 1 of a standard PEPT. This video can be beneficial for the classes 3rd, 4th and 6th also. I will upload the second part of this chapter very soon. The title of this chapter is Evolution of Computers. Parts of videos, you will be able to understand the history of computers, list the generations of computers, and list the characteristics of and limitations of computers. History of computers. The first counting device was used by primitive people. They used sticks, bones, stones as counting tools. As human mind and technology improved, some more advanced computing devices were developed. Some of the popular counting devices, starting with the first to the recent ones, will be explained by me in this video. The first one is abacus. The history of computers begins with the birth of abacus, which is believed to be the first calculating device in the history of computers. It was used to perform additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. It was made up of wooden frame with rods, and each rod had some beads on them. Next one is Napier's bone. It was a manually calculating device which was invented by John Napier in the year 1617. It was capable of performing multiplications with repeated additions and divisions with repeated subtractions. It was consisted of rectangular strips of rods made, made from bones and ivory. These rods had numbers written on them. Now the next one is Pascaline. Pascaline is also known as arithmetic machine or adding machine. It was invented by Blaise Pascal in the year 1642. Pascal invented these machines to help his father, who was a tax accountant. It could only perform additions and subtractions. It was a wooden box with a series of gears and wheels. When a wheel is rotated one revolution, it rotates the neighboring wheels also. A series of Windows was given to read the totals. Now the next one is difference engine. It was designed by Charles Babbage, who is also known as the father of modern computers. It was the mechanical computers which could perform simple calculations. Now the next one is analytical engine. This calculating machines was also developed by Charles Babbage in the year 1837. It had 5 units: input, output, store, mill, and control. But unfortunately, it was never built due to the financial problem. It formed the basis of all modern computers. Now the next machine is tabulating machine. It was invented by Herman Hollerith in the year 1890. It was capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the output. Next is Mark 1. The major changes in the history of computers began in the year 1937 when Howard Aiken planned to develop a machines that could perform calculations involving large numbers. In the year 1944, Mark 1 was built. It was the first fully automatic digital computer. Now the next one is ENIAC. ENIAC was built in the year 1946 by John Mosley and Presper Eckert. ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computers. It was 1000 times faster than Mark 1. It was consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes. Due to the uses of so many vacuum tubes, the size of the computers was very big. Now next one is EDSAC. This computers was built in the year 1949 by Maurice Wilkes. It was the first electronic computers that used the concept of stored programs. It was faster than ENIAC. Now the last one is UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. This machine was made in the year 1951 by John Mosley and Presper Eckert. It was the first commercially available electronic computers. This computer was the first computers to handle both numeric and text data. Students, in this way, I have completed the first part of chapter 1 of your new book. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm suggesting you to watch this video again and again to understand the topic properly. Thank you.